Hello, I'm glad you're here. I've spent many years listening to music, closely, patiently. In this quiz, you'll hear short excerpts of classical works and try to identify their composers. There are 5 questions in total. Each piece will play for about 15 seconds, followed by 5 seconds for you to write down your answer. Take a pen and paper, listen carefully, and be honest. This is just for you. The correct answers will be revealed at the end. Good luck.
Question 1. Who composed this piece? Now write down your answer, please. Question 2. Who composed this piece? Now write down your answer, please. Question 3. Who composed this piece? Now write down your answer, please. Question 4. Who composed this piece? Now write down your answer, please. Question 5. Who composed this piece? Now write down your answer, please. Thank you for playing along. I hope this quiz was both enjoyable and challenging. Feel free to share in the comments how many answers you got right, and if you'd like more quizzes like this in the future, you're welcome to subscribe. Until next time, keep listening.